Hi guys, good evening to all. We'll be waiting for 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll start our session. Okay. Hi guys. Again, good evening to all. Welcome to the session. Today, as you all know, is our last session. So we'll try to cover all the topics that are remaining. Okay. Yes, guys. So let's start. Okay. The first topic that we'll deal today. You guys can hear me, right? You guys can hear me? All of you?
Yes, Shivam, you're audible.
Okay, great. So the topic that we're going to discuss today is syllogism. Okay. Now, just hold on. Let me share my screen. Syllogism. This is our heading. Okay. You might have seen questions before in exams. For example, some apples are dogs, something like that. All apples are dogs, which makes no sense actually in practical life. But what did I tell you? Whenever you are trying to solve reasoning questions, leave practicality. Okay. Don't think anything practical. Don't think anything practical. Okay. This might not make sense, but you have to assume it to be true. Are all of you getting the point? It might not make sense, but assume it to be true, all of you. Got this point? So once we start syllogism, there are two parts. There are two major parts of syllogism. Please pay attention. Okay, this chapter seems to be very easy, but believe me, in this chapter, most of the people makes mistake. Around 98% of the people will make mistake in syllogism. It seems to be so easy, but if you are not clear with the basics, yes, so sorry. So what I was talking about is, okay, yes, am I audible now, Sakshi? See, yes, there are two parts. Okay, let me remove this. There are two parts. The first part is called statement, and the second part is called conclusion. The first part is, sorry, you are talking. I didn't get your point, Kushi. What do you want? Yes, yes, yeah. So don't worry. I'll teach you in such a way that you won't make mistakes. Okay. This is a guaranteed thing. After reading syllogism today, you'll not make any mistakes in the exam. So there are two parts: statement, conclusion. Just what you need to do is pay attention. Okay. Go with the basics and pay attention. Two parts. Okay. Statement, conclusion. Statement is whatever is given. Okay. Statement is whatever is given. Conclusion is whatever is to be found. Whatever is to be found. Yes. So now statements are always considered true. Are always considered true. Conclusions, on the other hand, have to be checked. Okay. Now, what does the sorry? Where does this go? Yes. Statements are always considered to be true. Whatever is given in statement will be true, no matter it makes logic or not. Okay. So it does not matter it makes sense or not. It will be true. But about conclusion, we have to check whether it is true or not. Now, a very important thing about conclusion is don't assume. Did you all understand this point? Don't assume. Guys, is this point clear? Don't assume. In conclusion, whatever is given, never assume कि भैया this to is given, then this to will be true. Don't assume. If you assume, you are wrong. Understood this point? Don't assume. Remember this, guys. This is a thumb rule. Don't assume. In conclusion, don't assume. Find it directly. Okay. Now, statement. Statements are basically two types: positive and negative. Okay. Statements are two types: positive and negative. Positive has two keywords mainly. There are many keywords, but these are the main two keywords: all and some. Okay. Positive has two keywords: all and some. Negative has two keywords: no and some not. No and some not. Understood this point? Positive has two keywords: all and some. Negative has two keywords: no and some not. So basically we have total 4 keywords. There are more, but these are the basics. Most probably the question that will be asked from this 4 only. Okay. Second is conclusion. Conclusions are of two types. One is definite. Another one is possible. Okay. Two types conclusions: definite and possible. Definite conclusion, by the name said, it is going to be true, 100% sure. That means it is clearly visible कि this is true. Possible is, on the other hand, what? Possible is basically the conclusions which might be or might not be true. Okay, conclusions might be or might not be true, that are called possible conclusions. Is it clear till here? 4 statements, 4 kind of statements: all, some, no and some not. Conclusions are of two types: definite and possible. Okay, guys, please write it down. If you have any issues, we'll solve it then and there. Now, let's see. Acha, one more thing. Syllogism is solved with the help of Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams. Okay, Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are basically circles which represent sets. ये सबको पता है Venn diagrams. You might have learned from class in between class 6 to 10th in maths. Okay, Venn diagrams, right? Yes, great. So Venn diagrams is, for example, if I'm talking about a set A, then I draw like this A. If I'm talking about a set B, I draw like this B. If I'm talking key, there are some part common in A and B, I overlap them like this. Understood? This is some part common in A and B. If I said A is a subset of B, A is a subset of B, मतलब A is present inside B. समझ रहे हो बात को? A is a subset of B. Subset. Sub मतलब छोटा. Subset. Small set of B. That means the complete set of A lies inside B. If I write B is a subset of A, then I draw B and then A. Are you getting this point? All of you know this point, yes or no? Anyone has any difficulty understanding till now, till this point? Tell me, please. No, yes, understood. Great. So please reply. Okay, this is again, I'm telling this is the last session. So let's make it the most interactive. This is by far the 6th and 3rd, 9th session with you guys, right? Not 9, sorry, 11th session with you guys. Those who are there in quants. So please, let's make this session the most interesting and interactive. And believe me, this chapter is the most interesting chapter. Venn diagrams. Out of all chapters of reasoning, this is the most interesting chapter. Okay, so this is about Venn diagrams. Now let's discuss one by one the statements. Okay, the first one is all. ध्यान से देखना, समझना बात को, ठीक है? When I'm telling, for example, all A are B, this is the statement given. All A are B. How will a diagram be made? A All A are B. See, A is a subset of B. Here it is clear. All A are B. Okay. One more thing. This is a possible diagram. Okay. Try to understand what I'm saying. All A are B. This is a possible diagram. Yeah. This you can say this is the most common diagram. That does not mean this is the only diagram possible. Okay. All A are B का this is the most common diagram कि A is a subset of B. ठीक है. अब देखते हैं इसमें क्या क्या conclusions है. I'm naming few conclusions. Let's see what all are possible, what are not possible. The first conclusion is some B are A. This is definite. Okay, this is definite. समझना बात को. If I am saying all A are B, इसका मतलब definitely A is contained in B, so I can say definitely some part of B is common with A, yes or no. Is this conclusion understood by all? Some B are B A. जल्दी बताओ. So this is called definite conclusion. ठीक है. Some B are A is definite conclusion. What about all B are A? What about this? All B are A. N. Okay. So all B are A is basically a possible statement. Try to understand what I'm saying. All B are A is a possibility. It's not true. So if the question says all B are A, then it will not follow. It will be false. But if it says all B are A is possible, समझना बात को, ठीक है? All B are A is possible, then we'll make it true. Is this point understood? If I am just saying all B are A, it will be false. But if I am saying all B are A is possible, then yes, it is possible. How is it possible? Now I'll tell. देखो, this can be possible when A and B are the same sets. If A and B are the same sets, in conclusion, first one is false. No, Kushi, first one is true. This is definite, matlab true. Some B are A is true for sure. समझना बात को. All A or B is given, then some A or B is true. Okay, it will be 100% true. But all B or A is possible. It's not true. It is possible. There's a difference between definite and possible. I told you. Definite, matlab, for example, let's write it like this. Chalo, hatao. If it is given all B are A, it will be false. If it is given all B are A possible, then it will be true. समझ मारी बात? It will be true. They are using word sum. That's why in conclusion, first one is false. They are using word sum. So what? Khushi, see, it is given all A are B. ध्यान से समझो. All A are B. If all A, every A is B, then can't I say some B are A? Some part of B is definitely A. Conclusion देखो, some A or B is not there. It is given some B are A. If all A or B will be true, then some B or A is definitely going to be true. ठीक है, definite. Second case is all B are A. So all B are A, if it is given directly like this, then it is false. But if it is given all B are A are possible, then it is true. Understood? Is this understood? Guys, please tell me yes or no. Why and jaldi jaldi. I am telling you the basics. If you understand the basics of syllogism, believe me, this is the easiest chapter. If you don't understand, this seems to be the easiest chapter, but you'll definitely make a mistake. I'll tell you how. अभी देखना थर्ड वाले में 99% लोग गलत बताएंगे. The third condition for this only. Some A or B. इसका बताओ. True या false? Definite, not definite. Some ARB. Sakshi saying true. It is some B or any, some ARB. Question नहीं समझ रहे हो आप लोग. It is given all ARB. All ARB is given. Then what about some ARB? Some ARB. Definite. Very good. See, 99% of the people make mistake here. You guys have done an excellent job. You guys have done an excellent job. See, why? अभी लोग क्या बोलते हैं ना normally कि sir all ARB is given true. Then some ARB तो false होगा ना? Because all word is used here. अगर सारे A B हैं तो how can we say कि कुछ A B हैं? But you have to think this in such a way कि if all ARB is given, then some A तो definitely RB ना 100%. सारे A B हैं तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ ना कुछ A भी है. Are you getting this point? So this is true, not false. This is definite. Most of the people say this is false. If all ARB is given, then some ARB is false, which is wrong. Okay, it is true. This is true. Some ARB will be true. ठीक है. So अभी तक हमने all ARB के लिए क्या क्या पढ़ा? आ गया. Fourth one is no BRA. What about this? Will this be true or false? No BRA. False. False. True. अरे साक्षी true कैसे बेटा? True. How will this be true? Possible. नहीं बेटा possible भी नहीं होगा. ध्यान से समझे. Possible and true false. देखो तीन केस हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. या तो definite. Definite मतलब true. 100%. Second is possible. Might be, might not be. Third is false, which is not true for sure. We have already discussed ना कि some B are A. कुछ भी तो A होंगे, definitely होंगे. Since all A are B, मतलब A और B का कुछ connection है. So some B are A for sure. So if I'm saying no B are A, then this is definitely false, no? Because I've already proved that some B are A. Might be or not. Against this is not might be or not be. This is wrong. Why wrong? Because we have already discovered कि some B will be A. कुछ भी हो जाए. सारे B, all B can be A. All B cannot be A. But some B are A is true for sure. Some B, कुछ भी देखो A B के अंदर लाई कर रहे हैं ना, तो कुछ भी तो A 100% है, for sure है. तो now if I'm saying no B are A, how is this possible? This is not possible at all. ठीक है? So this will be false. Is this clear? Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. Yes, very good. चलो अब सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट डिस्कस करते हैं. सम ARB. ठीक है. दिस इज द स्टेटमेंट. कंक्लूजन 1. द फर्स्ट वन, सम AR नॉट B. देखता हूं इसमें भी लोग गलतियां करते हैं अक्सर. सम AR नॉट B. सम ARB. कंक्लूजन इज सम AR नॉट B. Y और N, डेफिनेट नॉट डेफिनेट, क्या होगा इसका आंसर? Okay, I got one definite. Others? Definite, yes. Definitely true. Indefinite. Definite. Possible ना सर? अच्छा देखो, पहले तो क्वेश्चन समझो. I'm not asking about possibility or not. I am asking if this is given, this conclusion is given, will this be true या false? ये बताओ. TF true या false? Possible अगर मैं लिख दूंगा possible, then that is a different statement. I am talking if this is the conclusion, will it be true या false? True. 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 अरे शुभम भैया, आप तो करेक्ट आंसर दीजिए. फॉल्स. कोई तो एक जन फॉल्स बोलो यार. आई थिंक फॉल्स. अच्छा, सिंस आई सेड फॉल्स, यू आर सेइंग फॉल्स. मेरे सगे नाउ सेइंग फॉल्स. बेटा यही कंफ्यूजन है. दिस इज फॉल्स, नॉट ट्रू. आई टोल्ड ना, बेसिक्स. बेसिक्स. गाइस, कोई बोल सकता है फॉल्स क्यों है? एनीवन? Anyone can tell me why this is false? अरे कोई तो बताओ यार. let me see the answers. Cause they said, A consistence is not belong to B. I'm not getting your point. Sorry. Anyone else? Because of the statement is sum A or B. अच्छा, sum. देखो ध्यान से देखना. The main reason behind this being false, guys, please understand, this was one of the most important statement of syllogism. Most important. Not even 99.99% people do mistake here. This is false. What I'm saying is, I'm saying sum A or B. Okay, that means I am talking about this part, right? I am talking about this part. Hi Anna. Guys, can you understand this part? Yes or no? Please tell me. If I'm talking about sum A or B, I'm talking about this common part. Please tell me whether you are understanding this point or not. This is a very important point. Others, please reply, guys. Please reply. If you not reply, not understand. अंडरस्टूड, क्लियर. चलो बहुत बढ़िया. यहां तक समझ में आ गई ना? आगे वाला पार्ट मैं बताता हूँ क्या बोल रहे हैं. So we have red pen. Sum A or B is given. So I know about this part. Do I have any information about this part? Do I have any information about the rest part? Yes or no? बताओ जल्दी. नो सर. वेरी गुड. यही जाना था. नहीं है ना? नो इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस रेस्ट पार्ट. व्हाट डिड आई से? नेवर अज्यूम. Never ever assume. So if some A or B is given, I don't know about the rest of the A part, so I'll not assume. ठीक है? Some A or not B is false. It is possible, but यहाँ possible word नहीं लिखा है. That means they are talking about definite, whether this is definite or not. So this is not definite. This is false. Is this part understood? Clear हुआ? अगर कभी भी आया some A or B, will you tell some A or not B? Will you ever tell this? No, you'll never tell this. That is false. ठीक है? Guys, please tell me whether this is clear or not. If this part is clear, one of the major part of syllogism is done by you guys. Some A or not B is cleared. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो बढ़िया. अब let's talk about another part. इसी में first part is done. False. Second conclusion. All A are B. What about this? True, false. देखो, we'll take this time, ठीक है? No matter we don't discuss any other thing, but this should be clear. This is the most important thing in syllogism. All A are B. False, true. एक जन ने false बताया, आगे बाकी लोग false, true. False, true, false, true, false. बहुत बढ़िया. It is given some A R B. Some A R B. That means some A R B. Again, I don't know about the rest part. Na? This can be a part of B. This cannot be a part of B. So this is possible. But यहाँ possible word use नहीं कर रहा. That means this is false. Understood? Yes or no? 3. Some B are A. I'm trying to make you understand every other alternative that can be asked. Some A or B false. I did not understand your point, Atika. Can you please elaborate? Some A or B is false. Some A or B is the statement, na beta? Some A or B is the statement. Some B are a definite. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. This is definite. True. Definite. Some A or B is given. That means this part is this part belongs to both A and B. So I can definitely say some B are A. True. All B are A. अभी तक हमने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस ही नहीं किया है. We have not discussed a question. We are just discussing the various types that can come. Questions we will discuss now after understanding all the various types. All B are A. False. बहुत बड़ी. अरे all B are A किसने लिखा? Indefinite. Yes, you can say false. Correct. False. Very good. False. Because again, this is a possibility. But here, nowhere possibility word is used. If possibility word is not used, that means they are asking about whether it is definite or not. It is not definite for sure. All B can be A, but all B are not sure to be. Is this are all of you understanding? Yes, correct. Every time, Tanay. Venn diagram is the most important part of syllogism. Okay, there are other ways of solving syllogism. There are tricks, but you don't require tricks. Because for learning tricks, you have to put extra effort. Here, you don't have to put any extra effort. You can just draw a diagram and understand whether it's true or not. समझ में आ रही है बात? Same. Understood, guys? Chalo. Let me see. Do I have any other point here? Also. Chalo. Yes. ठीक है. Just guys, just a second. Okay, I'm just having some water, please. Please hold on. Yes. So sorry, guys. So let's continue. We have done about all and we have done about some. Okay. Now the third thing is no. अच्छा. With no also ना बहुत बड़ी issue चलती है. What is the issue? No A R B. This is given. No A R B. People say no A or B matlab A and B do not have a relation. Is this true? Yes. Okay, Atika, great. So what I'm asking is, if I'm saying A and B do not have a relation, if no A or B is given, is this true? Anyone? Yes, yes, yes. See, this is a little bit crooked statement. I'll tell you why. No A or B does not mean कि A and B do not have a relation. It means A and B do have a relation, but the relation is negative. Negative relation. समझना बात को. In syllogism, no relation. Also, we'll discuss what is no relation. No A or B does not mean they do not have a relation. This means they have a negative relation. That is, A and B will not have anything in common. They have a relation. What is the relation? That they don't have nothing in common. Is this understood? Is this understood, guys? Please tell me. No A or B means A and B have a relation, but that is negative. समझ में आ रही है बात? अगर कोई बोले this A and B does not have a relation, tell them भैया you are wrong. A and B do have a relation, but it is negative. कि no part of A is common with B. This is also a relation, na? No part of A is common with B. We have related them, A and B. Haven't we related them? Yes, with a negative relation that no part of A is common with B. So it is called a negative relation. No A or B is a negative relation. If someone says they do not have a relation, give them a slap. कि you are wrong. ठीक है? So don't slap them. That was just for fun. So no A or B मतलब negative relation. Understood? अच्छा. Now let's see what are the possible conclusions. No B or A. What about this? True or false? No B or A. True, false? True, true, true. Very good. This will be true. If no A or B, the A and B does not have a do not have anything in common. So no B or A is also true. इसमें कोई झोल नहीं. ठीक है? If no A or B, then no B are also A. Second, some B or A. What about this? Yes, correct, Poonam. True. Some B or A. False. बहुत बढ़िया, false. We have already said ना no B or A. So some B or A will definitely be false. Yes or no? Some B or A will definitely be false. Great. Are all of you understanding and enjoying this part? Yes or no? Tell me. Once we'll discuss this question. Once we'll discuss questions, you'll enjoy a lot more. I can guarantee that. This is just the theory part. This is just the theory part. Okay. So we are done with 3 of them. Okay. Now let's check the 4th one. The 4th and the most trouble creating. Some not. Some not says some A are not B. Okay, it says some A are not B. कहाँ गया whiteboard? Where's the whiteboard? Yes, sorry. So some A are not B. That means कि some part of A, समझना बात को again, some part of A has negative, I told you not मतलब negative relation. Negative relation with B. If you understand this now, I'll give you, I cannot give you a chocolate, but if you were there in physically in the class, I would have given you a chocolate. All of you. Imagine I'm giving you a chocolate. If you understand this. Some part of A has a negative relation with B. समझना बात को, what I'm saying. This is A. This is B. This part of A. अच्छा थोड़ा सा हटाता हूँ इसको. This part of A has a negative relation with B. Are you understanding this point? हाँ या ना? Did you understand this diagram? Some A are not B का मतलब है कि some part of A are not B. That is, some part of A has a negative relation with B. Negative relation with B. Understanding this part, some part of A has a negative relation with B. अरे अभी तक statement दिया कहाँ है बेटा? अभी तक I have not given any statement. Now let's check the conclusions. Sum A or B. I told I'm talking about the second and the third conclusions. The people who will be giving the correct answer for second and third, imagine you are getting a chocolate from my side. The first one, sum A or B. True या false? Sum A or B. जल्दी बताओ. Sum A or B. True या false? False. True. अच्छा, someone said true. False. 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 सबका false आ रहा है. Definite, sir. We can't imagine a chocolate. अच्छा, imagine. बेटा, imagine तो you'll do ना. Once you will give the correct answer, right? So let me first give you the conclusions. I have not even given the conclusions currently. I am talking about the second and third. This is the first conclusion we are doing. True. नहीं बेटा, true नहीं होगा. ध्यान से देखना. Again, I'm telling ना. What I'm saying. Some part of A has a negative relation with B. Do I know anything about the rest of the A part? Yes or no? Do I know anything about the rest part of A? No. If I don't know anything, I'm not going to assume. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no? If I don't know anything about the rest part of A, I'm not going to assume. So if I'm saying here sum A or B, that means I'm doing it wrong. It is false. ठीक है? It seems to be true. एकदम लग रहा है ना, हाँ sum A or not B, तो sum A will be B. गलत लग रहा है. If you assume, you are wrong. ठीक है? अच्छा. Now let's check whether you are able to understand this. With the second and third conclusions, I'll understand you have understood this or not. Second conclusion says, all A or B is possible. All B or A is possible. Tell me which is true, which is false. Both are true, both are false. Jaldi. 1 minute for you guys to think. Think and reply. Don't reply in a hurry. Think and then reply. 1 minute. False and true. FT, sir, both are false, sir. Both false. It means some A are not B. Both false. किस स्टेटमेंट से रिलेटेड करना बेटा? फोर्थ वाला स्टेटमेंट देखो ना क्या दिया है. Some A are not B. इससे रिलेट करो सेकेंड एंड थर्ड कंक्लूजन को. True and false. अच्छा, true and false. True. Second one is Siddharth is saying second one is false. Third one is true. अच्छा. देखो ध्यान से देखना, ठीक है? ध्यान से देखना. बोथ आर फॉल्स. चलो ठीक है. लेट्स सी. देखो क्या बोल रहा है. पहले तो बोल रहा है ऑल ए आर बी इज पॉसिबल. ऑल ए आर बी का डायग्राम कैसे बनता है? ऑल ए आर बी. यस और नो? दिस इज द डायग्राम फॉर ऑल ए आर बी. ऑल ए आर बी, दिस इज डायग्राम, राइट? यस और नो? This is the diagram for all A or B, correct? Now, this means the complete A lies inside B. That means everything inside A will be a part of B. But B-U-T wala but. But I know that there is some part of A which is not a part of B. If there is some part of A which is not a part of B, can this be possible that all part of A will be part of B? Is the question understood? यहाँ already given है ना. This all A or B मतलब everything inside A is a part of B. बट यहां मैंने ऑलरेडी डिस्कवर कर दिया कि सम पार्ट ऑफ ए इज नॉट बी. आई डोंट नो अबाउट द अदर पार्ट. इट कैन बी, इट कैन नॉट बी, बट दिस पार्ट इज डेफिनेटली नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ बी. Yes. So all A or B is possible will be false. ये बात समझ में आई? हाँ या ना? सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट समझ में आया सबको? Yes or no? Yes. Others, those who replied false, true, true, false, whatever. Did you guys understand? Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. I told you by tonight by 8:30 or 9 o'clock, all kinds of questions of syllogism you'll be able to solve for sure. This part is done. Now let's take the third part. The third part is saying all B are A. Achha. That means let's draw a diagram. All B are A. Is this statement possible? क्या लग रहा है इस डायग्राम से? क्या ये possible है? Yes, sir. Why? I can say कि let's say this is the part of A. This part of A is not related to B. I can see. This possible मतलब क्या? Any diagram is possible or not? I can make a diagram like this. कि B is a smaller part of A and the other part of A, इसमें से कोई एक part is not a part of B. So is this possible? Yes, sir. Definitely possible. Khushi is saying no, sir. Did not understand, Khushi? Acha, not a part. Okay. So is this point understood? All A or B is possible will be false, but all B or A is possible will be true. ये बात समझ में आ रही है? Yes, understood, Khushi. Understood. Because I can say that this part of A is not a part of B. ठीक है? So this will be true. ध्यान रखना, if some A or not B is given and it is asked all B or A is possible, it will be true. If it is asked all A or B is possible, it will be false. समझ में आ गई बात? हाँ या ना? जल्दी बताओ. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, yes, yes. I want yes from all of you now. चलो ठीक है, questions पे जाएं. Let's solve questions. These are the four main, little bit critical. Don't worry, Khushi. Now we'll solve questions and you'll understand. ठीक है? This was just the theory part. We are about to solve questions now. Okay, chalo. Let's solve questions now. All of you ready? Chalo, pehla question. Acha. Before writing the first question, let me give you the pattern of question asked. Guys, see, I am presenting my screen. Can all of you see this screen? This Word file? See, this is the pattern in which question is asked. ठीक है, क्या बोलता है? In each of the following question, two statements या two या more statements are given, and these statements are followed by two conclusions, 1 and 2. There can be more also, no problem. This is a general statement. You have to take the given two statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance from commonly known facts. मतलब logically they might be wrong, practically you have to think that is true statements. Read the conclusion and then decide which of the following follows. The options are like this. Option A is only one follows, conclusion 1. Option B, this is a very important part. Whether only conclusion 1 follows, that is option A. Whether only 2 follows, that is option B. Whether either 1 or 2 follows, it's either also will come. Either 1 or 2 follows मतलब या तो A या B. D is neither 1 nor 2 follows मतलब neither A nor B. दोनों ही नहीं. E is both 1 and 2 follows. Both are correct. Is the pattern understood? Anyone has any difficulty in understanding the pattern of the question? This is the general pattern of all questions. ठीक है? Understood? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, this is the first question. Solve for me. This is a statement. Some actors are singers. All singers are dancers. And these are the two conclusions. ठीक है? Tell me A, B, C, D, E. कौन सा follow होगा इसमें? जल्दी. This is the statement. Some actors are singers wala pura statement. And these are the conclusions. Please solve. Please take 1 or 2 minutes in the first few questions. You can take some time, take 2 minutes and then solve it correctly. Giving you 2 minutes time. Okay. Let's start. Yes, so true and false. Only one follows. Only one follows. But see, that is what na. Akash, check the question. The question says, which of the option will be correct? A, B, C, D, E. I understood true and false. So which one will be correct? Option A will be correct, right? So option A, you have to mark option A like that. Option B, okay. Rutuja is saying option B. I don't know which one is correct till now. I'll check. Option A. ठीक है. Let's check whether it is option A or B. चलो, let me see. ठीक है, क्या बोल रहा पहला वाला? Some actors are singers. So how will I draw? Always Venn diagram. A and S. अच्छा, all singers are dancers. अच्छा, let me draw it like this. Hold on. All singers are dancers and some actors are singers. ये सबको समझ में आया स्टेटमेंट, ये डायग्राम? yes or no? First tell me. Is this diagram understood? Is this diagram understood? Yes or no? जल्दी जल्दी बताओ. If you are not understanding, please let me know. Anyone who does not understand this diagram? All of you understood, right? For sure. चलो ठीक है. Now the question is, some actors are dancers. देखो, actors and dancers. This is the dancer circle pura. They are overlapping here, right? So some actors and dancers will be true or not? Yes, sir, it will be true. Now it is saying no singer is actor. They have already told us some actors are singers. So if some actors are singers, that means actors and singers have something in common for sure. That means no singer is actor will be false. Yes or no? Yes sir, we understood this. जल्दी बताओ हाँ या ना. समझ में आया नहीं सबको? जल्दी tell me fast. Understood. चलो. So now solve question number 2. Option B. I mean question B. Solve it. Question B. ये वाला सॉल्व कर दो.
सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं आंसर तो निकल गया पर हाउ डू आई
A
सॉल्व
man and a woman is seen sitting in front of a table. Mother-in-law of the man, mother-in-law of the woman is mother-in-law respectively. Okay. हाँ शटा है पहले तो हेड डाल दो हमेशा और इसको हट जाओ बिजी हो जाओ
ये सब क्यों खुल जाएगा इसको इंस्टॉल करने के नया खुलेगा नहीं
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Amar, say you're saying something. You said I muted you. Sorry.
No, nothing. You can go ahead.
Okay, yeah. So let's solve the question. Okay, where's the pen? One sec. Yeah. So it says all the harmoniums are instruments. So H and I like this. All instruments are also flutes now. So I can write like this. Is the diagram clear? Sabko diagram. I told you now, if you know the diagram, it's very easy for you to solve it. Okay. Now, conclusion was what's the conclusion? Yeah. All the flutes are instrument. See, flute is a bigger set than instrument. Yes or no? So can I say all flutes are instrument? It is possible, but it is not definite. So false. All harmoniums are flutes. See, harmonium is a subset and flute is a superset, that is bigger set. So this is true. So false and true, that is which one is correct? Only two follows. False and true. Suppose my second question is true. Guys, is this understood? Option B is correct? Yes or no? Is this understood? Jaldi batao. Yes, sir. Very good, very good, very good, all of you. Solve question number C now. Jaldi. Question number C, all of you, jaldi. Yes, sir. So we have got the solution of, let's see. One sec. Yes. So the options that people have said is Q, D. First conclusion false, second conclusion is possible. Okay, so that means none of them. Beta, see, I asked now, give me this option which is correct. So option D is correct. Right? Option D is correct according to you guys. Let's see. Some mangoes are yellow. Some mangoes are yellow. I'll write mango and yellow like this. Some tixos are mangoes. I'll write like this, tixos and mangoes. Some mangoes are green. No, this is wrong. This will not be mangoes are green. I guess there's some issue here. Okay, this question does not make any sense. Some mangoes are green does not make any sense. Okay, this conclusion definitely false because green is not there at all. Green is not there at all. So this question does not make any sense. Tixo is yellow. Tixo is a yellow. Do you have any relation between Tixo and yellow? No relation between Tixo and yellow, right? No relation between Tixo and yellow. Tixo is related to mango. Mango is related to yellow. But Tixo and yellow do not have a direct relation. Correct. So it is possible, but not true. So D, none of this is correct. Okay. Now solve question number D. Jaldi fast. Question number D. Giving you 1 more minute to solve question number D. Yes, guys. So do I get some answers? Let's see. Answer to check karo, sir. Akash. Just a second, Akash. I'm doing that. I told now I'm giving you 1 minute. Okay. Let's see. One is the answer. Let's check. Some ants are parrots. So some ants are parrots. All parrots, let is ants, na, to usko AN karo. All parrots are apples. So this is the logic APP. Now all apples are parrots. See, beta, it is given now all parrots are apples. So all apples are parrots might or might not be true. So ye false ho gaya. Some ants are apples. Ants have a relation with this parrots. And parrots are all parrots are apples. So I can see this part is common. This part is present inside the set of apples, so this is true. So I can say option B is correct. Who got answer as option B? False and true. One is true. One is not true, beta. One is false. All apples are parrots is false. One answer. How are you getting, guys, one as answer? Some ants are apples. That is true. Correct. Only second follows. No? Only second will follow. Correct. For D, false and true. False and true. Very good. Correct, Akash. But there are some parrots, no, sir. It is saying all apples are parrots. All parrots are apples. This is true. This is given. All apples are parrots. How can I say about this? This is possible. If it was given some apples are parrots, then this was true. But all apples are parrots, I don't know. I don't know about this part of apples. No? They can be, cannot be parrots. So is it? Yes, this is a possible statement, but this is not a definite statement. Correct. Is this understood? People? Yes, Tamai, correct. Venn diagrams make it easy. Is this understood by all? Yes or no? We'll do few more questions. Don't worry. We'll complete. This is the most important part, right? The second and third part that we are going to deal today is like they are nothing as compared to this part. Okay. Solve E part. Just giving you 1 more minute. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay. And I'll be checking the solutions. All of you, please, 190 of you, please provide solutions for E. And think carefully. Okay, let's check the question. Both are false. False, true. Option D, false and true. Both are true, so none of the conclusion follows. Option B. So some of you are saying B, some of you are saying D. चलो भैया देखते हैं किसका true है. It's saying all windows are doors. It's not A. All windows are doors. No door is a wall. So door has a negative relation with wall. And this is window, WY. ठीक है, समझना बात को. This is the diagram. Guys, first tell me, have all of you understood how to make a Venn diagram? Tell me this first. Guys, tell me, is this clear how to make a Venn diagram? Yes or no? Yes, yes, very good. This is what I wanted. If you understand how to make a Venn diagram, beta, this will be very easy for you to solve. Ab dekho, some windows are walls. Beta, door has a negative relation with wall, right? And I know window is a subset of door. तो अगर बड़ा भाई बात नहीं करेगा तो छोटा भाई कैसे बात कर सकता है? Are you getting the point? Door is a big brother, right? If door is not talking to wall, how can window talk to wall? The head of the family is not talking, right? If window was not talking to wall, I couldn't say कि door is also not talking to wall. समझना बात को. Window is the smaller brother. विंडो बात नहीं कर रहा है इसका मतलब ये नहीं डोर भी बात नहीं करेगा. डोर कुड हैव स्पोकन बिकॉज डोर इज द बिगर ब्रदर, ही कैन डू एनीथिंग व्हाट ही लाइक्स. बट जब बड़ा भाई बात नहीं कर रहा है, द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली इज नॉट टॉकिंग, then the smaller also cannot talk. Is this part understood? The first statement, the first conclusion, yes or no? It is false. Why is it false? Understood? Tell me guys, yes or no? Others jaldi jaldi reply karo beta. If you not reply, how will I understand? Yes, 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 I need answers from all. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes sir. Others, array there are 190 of you yaar, at least 100 of you. No, 170 80 of you reply na. So this is false. No wall is door. Acha, I have already given no door is wall, so no wall is door is also true for sure. So false and true, that means option C, sorry, option B, only 2 is correct. Is this question understood? सबको समझ में आई बात? Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. Very easy, right? There's nothing here. Yes, yes, चलो बहुत बढ़िया. चलो अब this was about two statements, right? Now let's see if we get 3 statements. What is to be done if you get 3 statements? Okay, I'm giving you statements. Statement. This is about 3 people. ARB, BRC, all CRT. Okay, समझ रहे बात को? I am giving you conclusions now. Tell me which one is false, which one is true. First one, sum ARC. True, false. Jaldi. True ya false? True ya false? Jaldi, jaldi. So it's becoming right. I was scared of this topic, but now because of thank you Sakshi. I hope others also will feel the same. True, Tanu, true. Nahi beta, answer is false. Answer is false. Think. Sum ARC. True. बेटा false होगा. देखो क्या बता रहा हूं, अभी बताया था ना, ध्यान से देखना. Sum ARB. So ARB, I told you make a Venn diagram, very easy. And sum BRC. So A is related to B. I know about this part. B is related to C. I know about this part. Do I have any relation between A and C directly? Do I have any relation? Can you see any relation here directly? No, na. So how it will be true? This will be false. Not directly false. समझ में आई बात? Yes or no? Is this understood? I'm trying to make it in like I'm trying to teach in the most simplest manner. If you are, but it is possible. Yes, this is not saying it is possible. If it was saying some ARC is possible, अगर ऐसा question रहता, if the conclusion says some ARC is possible, तब ये true हो जाता. But यहाँ ये possible word तो था ही नहीं ना. This was not there. So that is they are talking about definite. But we know this is not definite, so false. समझ में आई बात? Akash is saying some CR belong to B and also A. Where are you saying, beta? This is belonging to A. It is saying some ARB and some BRC. Where is it saying कि C has relation with A also? कहाँ दिख रहा है आपको बताओ? Draw different. That is possible. That is possible. Again, I'm telling you. This is the most appropriate diagram, but that does not mean this is the only diagram. Diagram ये भी possible हो सकता था. A, B and C. A, B, C. This is a possible diagram, but this is not an accurate diagram. समझ रहे हो ना बात को? This is not an accurate diagram. So if it was saying possible, it would have been true, but if it is not saying possible, it is false. Yes, correct. So is this understood, Akash? That is a possible diagram. समझो बात को, पॉसिबिलिटी कुछ भी हो सकता है. When, अच्छा एक और चीज, when I'm saying ना, अच्छा I told you, remember no does means negative relation. ये बात बताया था, right? No means negative relation. I told you this in the starting, right? So no. I told you one more thing, कि I'll be discussing what do you mean by no relation. Does no means no relation? Nahi, no does not means कि there is no relation. No means negative relation. So what is meant by no relation? Here A and C are not related directly. Yeah, in this statement A and C have no relation. Why? Because it is not given here. समझो बात को. A and C are not directly related, so I can say A and C have no relation. That means any possible conclusion is true because I don't know anything about A and C directly, so I can say anything is possible. Understood? हाँ या ना? बताओ. Yes or no? Understood this part? हाँ या ना? Tell me, guys. Understood. Very good. So no relation means कि relation is not given. जैसे यहाँ A और C का directly relation नहीं है, ठीक है? So if no relation is given, any possible relation is true. But यहाँ possible का तो बात ही नहीं किया ना, यहाँ तो definite बोल दिया. So that is false. So अच्छा, now solve the second part. This was the first one is clear सबको? One second. The second one. The second one says some B are not D. I am giving you three statements. अभी जल्दी जल्दी बताना कौन सा ट्रू है कौन सा false है. इतना टाइम लगा रहे हैं. No A R D. Fourth, some D R A. जल्दी तीनों का बताओ. Giving you 2 minutes time. 2 minutes time. चलो, let's check the solution now. False, true, false. False, true, true. अच्छा एक करके देखता हूँ मैं कहाँ कहाँ बच्चों में डाला है। सम डी आर ए फॉल्स ट्रू फॉल्स ट्रू ट्रू फॉल्स आइदर 3 और 4 फॉलोज आंसर 4 ट्रू ट्रू फॉल्स। ठीक है पहला ट्रू ट्रू फॉल्स ट्रू ट्रू फॉल्स ट्रू ट्रू फॉल्स फॉल्स ट्रू फॉल्स सम डी आर ए फॉल्स ट्रू ट्रू फॉल्स। आकाश फर्स्ट तो हमने दिया ही नहीं है ना, वी गेव ओनली 3। सेकंड इज फॉल्स, थर्ड इज ट्रू, फोर्थ इज फॉल्स। अच्छा फिर ट्रू ट्रू फॉल्स फॉल्स चलो ठीक है क्या क्या देखते हैं। ठीक है लेट्स सी। अभी अभी भी आप लोग समझे नहीं हो, यू गाइस हैव नॉट अंडरस्टूड द कांसेप्ट क्लियरली। चलो नो प्रॉब्लम। इसके बाद विल डिस्कस वन मोर क्वेश्चन, मतलब दिस इज वन सेट, इसके बाद विल डिस्कस वन मोर सेट। Just a sec guys, I'm facing some issues, one sec. Yes, so let's solve sum b are not d। पहले डायग्राम बनाते हैं। sum a are b, sum b are c। अच्छा इसको तो let me draw a proper diagram। क्या बोला, all c are d ना, all c are d। ठीक है ऐसा एक डायग्राम बनाया, फिर बोला sum b are c, ऐसा एक डायग्राम बनाया, फिर दिया सम ए आर बी, तो ऐसा एक डायग्राम बनाया। ठीक है अब बोला सम बी आर नॉट डी, सम बी आर नॉट डी। अच्छा मैंने क्या बोला अभी जस्ट, दिस आई कैन सी ना, सम बी आर डी, दिस आई कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर बहुत इजीली। सम बी आर डी विल बी ट्रू फॉर श्योर, यहां से है कि नहीं, ये बात सबको समझ में आ रही है। सम बी आर डी विल बी ट्रू, सम बी आर डी विल बी ट्रू, दिस पार्ट इज कॉमन। एंड इफ सम बी आर डी इज ट्रू, can I say sum b are not d? No sir, we cannot say, this is false। अभी बताया था पहली बार, sum b are d अगर आपको दिख रहा है, that does not mean कि sum b are not d, because I don't know about the other parts of b। पहला क्वेश्चन क्लियर हुआ सबको, हाँ या ना बताओ जल्दी। Was the first question clear? Yes sir। others please reply। See again I'm telling you, if you're not replying you are not understanding। yes clear। इफ आई कैन सी हियर कि सम बी आर डी, यहां से दिख रहा है ना बेटा मेरे को, देखो ये डी बड़ा सर्कल था, सम बी आर डी दिख रहा है मेरे को यहाँ से। इफ सम बी आर डी आई नो, आई कैन नॉट से सम बी आर नॉट डी, आई डोंट नो अबाउट द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ बी, तो पहला वाला फॉल्स हो गया। नो ए आर डी, अच्छा नो ए आर डी का मतलब क्या है, ए एंड डी हैव अ नेगेटिव रिलेशन। आर ए एंड डी रिलेटेड, हाँ या ना, आर ए एंड डी रिलेटेड, वी थिंक सर इट्स ट्रू। आकाश विच वन इज ट्रू, सेकंड वन। Yes, no beta, that is false, that is not true। If some BRD, some BRD is true, some BR not D is not true। ठीक है, that is possible, but that is not definite। अपन definite की बात कर रहे हैं। That is why I'm telling you syllogism seems to be very easy। Correct। If possible word was given, then it would have been true, but possible word नहीं दिया हुआ है, लगता है कि करेक्ट है बट करेक्ट नहीं होगा, दैट इज रॉन्ग। ठीक है, नो ए आर डी। अच्छा माय क्वेश्चन इज नाउ, नो ए आर डी, इज ए एंड डी रिलेटेड, इज ए एंड डी रिलेटेड डायरेक्टली, हाँ या ना। सॉरी आर ए एंड डी रिलेटेड, आई एम चेंजिंग माय प्रीपोजिशन, आई एम चेंजिंग माय प्रीपोजिशन ही बोलते हैं ना, जो भी बोलते हैं। ठीक है, इज आर ए एंड डी रिलेटेड, यस और नो। आर ए एंड डी डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड, हाँ या ना। क्वेश्चन इज directly asking, no, A and D are not directly related। What does no word mean? No word का मतलब क्या है कि they are not related या they are negatively related। No word is they are negatively related या they are not related। negatively related. But I can see A and D are not related यहाँ से. So is no A or D true? No sir, it will be false. क्योंकि this means they are related but negatively related. यहाँ A और D का negative ही नहीं, I mean relation ही नहीं है. So it is false. Is question part 3 understood? Yes, Dhanush, we have already posted at 9 o'clock today. You'll be getting the attendance link. Today is the last day. You'll be getting the link at 9 o'clock. ठीक है? So no ARD वाला clear हुआ logic? हाँ या ना जल्दी बताओ. No ARD. This will be false. Because no means negative relation. अच्छा, Akash is saying no. Yes, correct. That is what I'm saying. No direct relationship. No direct relationship does not means negative relationship. A and D are not related. ये मेरे को दिख रहा है. Not related दिख रहा है. Negative relation ऐसे दिखता है. क्या आपको कहीं पे भी ऐसा साइन दिख रहा है? Yes or no? Can you see this sign anywhere in the diagram? Negative, I told you, negative is this sign. A dash and then cross. Can you see any sign here? Any sign like that here? No. A and B बहुत दूर दूर है. They are not related. Not related does not means कि no A or D. That means कि anything is possible. They are not related. No relation is given here. इसका मतलब कोई भी relation true हो सकता है. समझ रहे हो ना बात को? If I'm telling I am a boy, you are a boy. We don't have any relation. We have not been we have never met. So if we are meeting for the first time, we could have any relation. We can be brothers, we can be sisters, whatever. I don't know whatever our gender is. We can be I can be your uncle, I can be your father, I can be your grandfather, anything, right? Because we have never met, so we don't know our relation. समझ लो ना बात को? It's not confusing, Akash. देखो बेटा ध्यान से देखो. I told you no का मतलब नेगेटिव रिलेशन. नो डज नॉट मीन्स द वर्ड नो. नो को नो मत समझो. नो को नेगेटिव समझो. नो इज नेगेटिव. Has any relation been defined between A and D? Yes or no? In the question, can you see any relation between A and D? In the question, is it saying no A or D, no A or B, no A or C? कहीं पे भी लिखा है? नहीं लिखा है ना? तो how can this be true? This will not be true, no? This means a relation, negative relation. अपने को question में कहीं negative relation दिया ही नहीं है. So how can I say there is a negative relation between A and D? I cannot say. Understood? Yes or no? Tell me. Understood or not? Guys, it's no point of moving forward if you're not understanding these parts. Did you guys understand the third part? Why it is false? Yes. Yes, sir. Understood. Partial understood. चलो ठीक है आकाश. Don't worry. You'll solve few problems, then you'll be able to understand all. ठीक है. Some D R A. अच्छा. No A R D. Some D R A. अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ. क्या D और A के बीच में कोई भी रिलेशन मेरे को दिख रहा है? Can I see any relation between D and A from here? Attendance will be posted, guys. By 9 o'clock, we told it will be posted. Can I see any relation between D and A? Here. No. देखो कोई direct relation नहीं दिख रहा है ना. A और D is not directly related only. So how can I say some D R A? This will also be false. This could have been true. ये सारे possible relations हैं. But the question is not asking about possibility. The question is asking about definite. So if I am not seeing any relation, that means any relation is possible. Any relation is not definite. समझ में आई बात? हाँ या ना बताओ. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Part 5. Part 5 क्या है? अब देखो. Some A or D. देखो देखो डिफरेंस देखना. Is a possibility. अब बताओ. देखो A और D डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड नहीं थे ना. So if I write some D or A, then that is false. But if I write some A or D is a possibility, then that is true. समझ में आ रही है बात? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, yes, yes. Great. All of you. Understood. If you practice syllogism, believe me, just practice 2-3 questions. ठीक है? Just go through this lecture once again and then start practicing questions. Guaranteed you'll be able to solve all kind of questions. Okay. चलो ठीक है. Now let's move on to our final topic for today. Okay. Our final topic for today is cubes and dices. Cubes and dices. This is our final topic for today. Okay. We have 15 more minutes. We'll try to wrap it up in 15 minutes. And this is a very easy part, cubes and dices. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखना. क्यूब्स एंड डाइसेस का ना 2 ही पार्ट होता है. ठीक है. देयर आर 2 major type of questions in cubes and dices. ठीक है. The first is, yes, I'll definitely, Akash, I'm not very sure whether we'll have some time for clock, but definitely in the future we'll try to have a session for clock also. ठीक है. Name of the first part, yes, I'm telling the first part. The first part is sorry, two common elements are given. The second part is one common element is given. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखना. Two common element is given, one common element is given. इसका मतलब it's better if I present it on my whiteboard. This is a cube or a dice. ठीक है. This is a cube. Imagine this is a cube. This doesn't seem like a cube, but this is a cube. And I've given 3 points here. ठीक है. A, B, and C. A, B, and C. These are the 3 faces. A cube has 6 faces. Dice को आप जानते हो सारे 6 face होते हैं die के. This is A, B, and C. And there are 3 more faces, which is one is opposite to A, that is at the bottom. One is opposite to C, that is at this back. And one is opposite to B, that is at this back. Okay. This is one side of this die. Okay. Now, in the first part, what did we discuss? When 2 elements are common. This is 2 element common. In this, what will happen? 2 positions of the same die are given. B, C, and E. What is happening here basically is, this was a die जिसमें अपन को 3 faces देख रहे थे, A, B, and C. This is the same die. Now we can see this is a different, like this is the different position of the same die. इसमें we can see B and C are there, but now another face E has appeared. A die you can rotate, right? You can rotate a die and you can check different possibilities here. So if in one face you have A, B, and C, and in the other face you have B, C, and E, and in the question if it is asked, what is opposite of A? The answer will be E. ये बात सबको समझ में आ रही है? If 2 elements are common, जैसे यहाँ B and C are common, B and C are common, then I can say that A and E are opposites. Opposite मतलब if A is at the top, E will be at the bottom. Can you repeat, sir? Yes, Akash, I'm repeating again. These are 2 positions of the same die, and if there is such a case where there are 2 elements common, जैसे यहाँ पे भी B and C है, यहाँ पे भी B and C है, then you can say that the remaining 2, that is A and E, are opposites. That is, if A is at the top, E will be at the bottom. So okay, A and E are opposite. समझ में आएगी बात? Yes or no? Understood this point? Sure, guys? Yes, chalo. Now the second case. This is the first case when 2 are common. Now when only one element is common. When one is common. Okay, when one is common. So, for example, this is one die and this is another die. So the same dice ही है, but अलग-अलग positions है of the same dice. A, B, and C. Now I've given A, E, and D. Now you can see only one element is common here, A. Correct? Only one element is common, A. Now, if I want to find the opposites of every element, how will I find? Try to remember this logic, okay? There is one logic only. Keep this part constant. Take A in both the dice, write A, and then move clockwise from A. Clockwise, always clockwise. A के बाद क्या आएगा? B, B के बाद क्या आएगा? C. And here A के बाद क्या आएगा? E, and then what will come? D. So I can say B and E are opposites, C and D are opposite. Is this logic clear to all? Yes or no? Tell me fast. Is this logic clear to all? When only one side is given common, pick that side and rotate in clockwise direction. Understood? Yes or no, guys? Understanding or not? Please tell me. See, today we have not posted the attendance link, so we have a good amount of attendance till now, 230. Great. Chalo. So let's see. If I am giving you two questions, okay? Solve this. Jaldi. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 5. Can you tell me what is opposite to 4? Jaldi. And what is opposite to 5? Little bit critical. No, but it is very easy. Dekho. Make now 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 2 likho. What did I say? Pick one. Pick the common one. यहाँ से 1 common है. Go in clockwise direction. 3 and 2. यहाँ से 1 common है. Go in clockwise direction. 4 and 5. So what I can say? 3 and 4 is common. 3 and 4 are opposite. 2 and 5 are opposite. कितना easy तो है. This is so easy. Kushi, others, did you understand? Getting. Is this easy now? Yes or no? Jaldi batao. If one of them is given, pick that and go clockwise. Bas itna hi karna. Acha. What if I change the data now? What if I write 4, 3 and 1? Ab, what is opposite to 4? Can anyone tell me? What is opposite to 4? 2. Very good. देखो, अब 3 and 1 is common. So 3 and 1 को ignore करो. Write 2 and 4. So 4 is opposite to 2. Got it? Very good. Now let's solve few questions. जल्दी जल्दी करते हैं एक दो questions और. Let me present my screen. Just a second, guys. Hold on 1 sec. Guys, can you see the screen? चलो पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वाला क्या बोल रहा है? Is saying a dice has been thrown 4 times and produces the following result. I'm zooming it for you guys. All of you can see the data now. ठीक है. It is saying which number will appear opposite to 3. तो 3 कहाँ का है चेक करो. देखो, here you have 3, here you have 3, here you have 3. ठीक है, 3 you have here, here and here. तो पहले इसको चेक करो. First and third. You can see 3, 1, 3, 1. So you can say 5 and 6 are opposites. ये बात समझ में आई सबको? हाँ या ना पहले बताओ. From here, first and third, 3, 1 is common, 3, 1 is common. So 5 and 6 are opposites. Is this clear to all? Yes or no? Jaldi. So one pair of opposites I have got, 5 and 6. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं बाकी. Here you have 3, 2, 6. अच्छा, Here you have 3, 1, 6. अच्छा देखो 1 and 4 में what is common? 3 and 6. 3 and 6. So what you can say? 1 is opposite to 2. ये बात सबको समझ में आई? देखो एकदम it's so easy ना, so easy. आंसर इज ए. अच्छा लेट्स सी. अच्छा बताओ 5 and 6 आर ऑपोजिट, 1 and 2 आर ऑपोजिट, तो एक और नंबर आपको क्या दिख रहा है इस डायग्राम में? बताओ 3 के अलावा 4 दिख रहा है ना, तो 3 and 4 विल बी ऑपोजिट, राइट? सो इजी. हाँ या ना? इजी है कि नहीं बताओ, यस और नो? टेल मी इज इट इजी और नॉट? यस सर, आई टोल्ड इट्स वेरी इजी. चलो सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. देखो फिगर शोज टू पोजीशन ऑफ डाई व्हिच नंबर विल अपीयर ऑपोजिट टू 2. अब देखो यहां देखो 4 2 3 4 5 6. देखो ओनली 1 इज कॉमन, 4 इज कॉमन, राइट? तो पिक 4 एंड रोटेट क्लॉकवाइज. तो आ जाएगा 4 2 3 और यहां से आ जाएगा 4 5 6. तो which is opposite to 2? 5 is opposite to 2. So easy. Now you are saying it was difficult. बताओ कितना आसान है? Isn't it easy? Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ, easy or not? Sir, once again, sir. Which one बेटा? देखो देखो ये let's see once again. In this question, you have only one common number, right? 4. So write 4 and then move clockwise. So you'll get 4 2 3 here and 4 5 6 here. So 2 and 5 are opposite, 3 and 6 are opposite. The question is saying which is opposite to 2. Answer is option C. अब clear हुआ? Is answer 6 नहीं बेटा? Yes, correct. Yes, you can, Tanoy. You can. Why not? You can. Others, sir, one doubt. Yes, Kushi, please ask the doubt. कौन सा नंबर, हाउ टू टेक नंबर, कौन सा नंबर फर्स्ट लेना है? आई टोल्ड ना गो इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. देखो हमने 4 से क्लॉकवाइज गए ना. क्लॉकवाइज इफ यू गो क्लॉकवाइज इज दिस डायरेक्शन ना, तो 4 के बाद क्या आ रहा है? 2 आ रहा है, देन 3 आ रहा है. यहां से क्लॉकवाइज, हाउ इज क्लॉकवाइज? क्लॉकवाइज इज लाइक दिस, पिक 4 एंड देन गो क्लॉकवाइज. तो 4 के बाद क्या आएगा? 5 देन 6. अंडरस्टूड? यस और नो? Yes, very good. So we are done. We are almost done with everything. The reasoning part is almost clear. There are 1 or 2 chapters left. Definitely we'll try to have this in the future sessions if possible. But I just wanted to know if you have understood whatever we have discussed till now. We are done with our reasoning portion. This is our last class. Yes, sir. Others, please reply. You are 210 or 220 of you, right? How many of you? 247. At least 50 or 60 of you reply, please. How was the session? Did you learn something new? Did you understand this? Like, have you understood everything in this sessions of these 3 days? Yes, we'll be giving attendance link. Don't worry, guys. Others, please reply whether you have understood everything. Yes or no? If there is anything you did not understand, you can mail it to us. Thank you so much, Meghna. Others. I hope you have understood something. Good, sir. I was easy to get information for us sessions. Thank you so much, guys. I hope, yes, if you have any difficulty in understanding any of the parts, you can mail it to us. Okay, we'll try to have something else. Thank you so much, Tanoy. She was really amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for this wonderful feedback. Yes, Meghna will definitely try to have some more sessions. In the meantime, all the best to you guys for your future. Okay, we'll meet definitely the next time if it's possible. And I'm handing over the session now to Amar sir. Okay, he'll be discussing few points with you guys. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Yes, bye. Amar sir, please carry on.
Yeah, thank you. Ipan sir, are you there?
Yes, Amar.
Yes, sir, you can go ahead.
Okay, I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Amar.
Yeah.
So, hello everyone. Irfan here from EDL, that is Everyday Learning Team. I just wanted to take a moment to thank our trainer, Shubham, as well as the entire training team, Amar, Leela, who helped at the back end for LMS, as well as all of the students and faculties who participate in our wonderful 8 days training program. Your commitment and engagement made this truly valuable experience for all of us. Now, for those who participated in the program, I have an announcement. But before that, let me inform you about the participation certificates. We will be issuing participation certificates in the next 5 to 6 working days. But please note that in order to receive a certificate, you must have attended at least 60% of the training program. If you have any questions about your attendance or anything, please don't hesitate to reach out at edl@excelr.com. Yes, please reach out at edl@excelr.com. We are also pleased to announce our next training program, which will be focused on cloud fundamentals. And in this cloud fundamentals, we will be covering AWS, GCP, and other cloud platforms. So this program will run from 13th of March 2023 and will take place from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. on weekdays. That is from Monday to Friday. The program will last for 10 days with a total of 20 hours of training and hands-on. Remember, guys, this program is also for 2 hours per day on weekdays. I would like to request Amar, please share our registration link for the next program, that is Cloud Fundamentals. I request to all the participants, please share this link to your friends and colleagues so that more number of students and faculties will get benefited. Finally, don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for updates and recent announcement. I again request to Amar, please post our social media links in the chat box so that all participants will visit our social media platforms. And dear participants, you can also find us on YouTube. You can subscribe our ExcelR channel so that you get notified of our upcoming programs as well. Similarly, you can visit our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn handles. Thank you again for your participation, and we hope, very excited to see you at our next program, that is Cloud Fundamentals. Thank you so much. Over to you, Amar.
Oh yeah, thank you so much, sir, for your valuable information. Guys, if you have any query or question, please drop in a chat box. Rest of attendance link, please. Just wait for some time for the attendance. If you have any query, then post in the chat box. We'll work on that. Then we'll share the attendance link. Tirunath, can you please post the registration link in the YouTube as well?
Yeah, just now I post.
Okay, thank you so much. Sir, how we got our certificates? Guys, so don't worry about the certificates. You will receive your certificate via registered the mail ID. Okay, and it will receive within 7 to 8 working days. I am a BCom student. I don't have knowledge of technology. Can I join upcoming program? Yes, actually you can. You will get the idea about the technology. So guys, we'll share the attendance link last 5 minutes. We'll wait for. If you have any query, please drop in chat box. Sir, I am interested in cybersecurity representative program. So you have further plan about it for free. So, first, Sarkar, please subscribe our channels like LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram. Then you will receive information about the upcoming programs. Yes, Akash. Priyanka, in Cloud Fundamental, we are going to cover AWS, basics of cloud, Azure, and GCP, like that. Ashwarya, you can go ahead and register once again. Because after registering, we are going to give you the classroom access of Cloud Fundamentals. I had filled the attendance up to date through link which are shared in the class, but in website. Pawan, don't worry about that. Google Form attendance is mandatory. Okay. Akash, we are going with the basics, so no need to any pre-knowledge about that. I am attended 4 classes and 1 class I am missed the attendance. So can I get the certificates? Rahul, 60% attendance is mandatory to get the certificates. Sir, registration is completed. Okay, great. Tone was saying, I am really enjoying the sessions. Okay, thank you so much. Rupali registration done. Thank you, thank you. It's AWS Venkatesh. Sir, I joined from day 5, only few lectures. Will I get the certificates? We need to check your attendance. Please drop an email on edl@excelr.com. Ashwarya, can you elaborate? What are you looking for? Tirunath?
Yeah.
Yeah, I opened the attendance link. Please share with the students.
Okay. Yes. Sure.
Yes. I hope all of you are done with the registration. Rupali, you will receive a confirmation email within next 2 to 3 days. So guys, attendance link is shared. Please mark your attendance and give your valuable feedback. Aishwarya, it's shared now. Shika, registration done. Okay. Guys, I am giving you access of unmute yourself. If you want to share any feedback or would you like to talk, please unmute yourself and you can go ahead. Forum is open for you. Anybody is there? I what most interesting Python when Python class started, sir. Please follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, then you will receive information about the upcoming programs. Atika, good sessions. Thank ExcelR team for this free course to learn. Atika, you're welcome. Guys, no one wants to talk.
Sir,
Yes.
this is Venkatesh, sir.
Yes, please.
What a wonderful classes for me, sir.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Wonderful classes, sir.
Okay, great, great.
Thank you,
It
sir, for
will help
valuable.
you in the future. If you
Yes,
face
sir.
any difficulties, then go through recordings. I hope you have LMS access.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Yes, you're welcome.
Sir, my name is Hemant.
Yes, Hemant.
Sir, is today the last day for these classes, sir?
Yes, today is the last day.
Thank you, sir.
We are done with the verbal ability and logical reasoning.
Yeah, sir.
Oh, yeah.
If these classes are very useful for me, sir. I have learned a lot from this.
Great, great. Thank you so much. Swapna wants
you,
to
sir.
talk. Swapna, you raised a hand. You can unmute yourself. Who is Kishore?
Excuse me, sir. When the new course is starting, can you please?
Yes. So new course is going to start from 13th of the March and topic is cloud fundamentals. Same time, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., 2 hours per day and duration for 20 hours. And we are going to cover basics of clouds, Azure, AWS and GCP.
Thanks for the information, sir.
You're most welcome. Good sessions. Thank ExcelR team. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Have enjoyed a lot by understanding and listening this class. And
Great, great, great. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful session. Definitely, it will be helpful for us.
Good, Akash. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. And we are able to understand the better techniques and
Wonderful. Super Kushi. Sanket was saying thank you. You're welcome. A registration link is not opening. Tirnath, can you please post registration link in the YouTube once again?
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Sir, how will you get the certificates? Okay. So Sarika, if you attended 60 or more than 60% of the sessions, then you will receive a certificate via registered email ID within next 7 to 8 working days. I hope that's clear. Sir, did you take sessions on machine learning? Yes, Aman. We'll plan in the future, definitely. Be like machine learning with Python. Good, Sarika. So guys, we'll wind up the session at 9:10. So if you want to talk, then you can unmute yourself. If you have any query question, you can drop in the chat box. We have 4 more minutes with us. Monica, thank you, sir, for such a wonderful program. You're welcome. Thank you so much, all of you, for such a valuable feedback. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes. Sir, about some courses you were saying, can you say again? Okay, definitely. I will repeat once again. So guys, one more time. We are going to start new program on cloud fundamentals, and the date of starting is 13th of the March. Topic is cloud fundamentals, and subtopics is be like basics of cloud, Azure, AWS, GCP. Duration 20 hours, time is same. So we already shared the registration link in the chat box, Zoom as well as YouTube. Please go and register for the same. I hope it's clear. Yeah. And for any queries, drop an email to edl@excelr.com. Someone is trying to talk. Who is there? Sony, please follow us on LinkedIn. Then you will receive information. No, Srinesh, no.
Sir, is there any session on IoT, sir?
So I'm requesting you, please follow us on LinkedIn. If there is any upcoming program in IoT, then you will receive the information.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we leave now?
Yeah. If you have no any query question, you can drop out.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sir,
Thank
how
you so
many days we can get? Sir, how
sorry?
many days will get? Sir, how many days will get access to the PPTs in the website, sir, of this program?
You already have access, no?
We have access, sir. How many days we can access? After that, we can get access, sir. After this today. Well, we have access, sir. Till how much? Like there is any expiry date of this access, sir?
Oppo A16. I don't know your name, but thank you so much for providing those courses for free. You're welcome. Tirunad?
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
My voice is not audible?
Yeah, your voice is audible, Amma.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for all the wonderful sessions. Till now and future, we are grateful for everything, sir. You're welcome, Meghna. So guys, it's time to wind up the sessions. So hope you enjoyed the sessions, and we'll meet you on 13th of March for the cloud fundamentals. Tirunad, you can wind up.
Yeah, Amma.
Yeah, thank you.